my beautiful dolls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Esther, where I do a little bit of everything here on my channel. In today's video, I really wanted to do a beautiful doll makeup look inspired by this picture that I saw on Pinterest. She's absolutely stunning, so gorgeous, and I really wanted to attempt to do a makeup look kind of just inspired by this picture, and I think it turned out really pretty. So if you want to look like a cutesy little doll, let's just jump into today's video. So first thing we're gonna do is go in with our NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. I already moisturized, so I just need to do my primer. I'm so excited to be doing a YouTube video because lately I've just been really tired, so I haven't been wanting to do much, but I got the energy to like get up, do some stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to be filming a YouTube video, and I think it's gonna turn out really cute. I was like scrolling through Pinterest every now and then, hoping I would like find some inspiration, and then I was like, ooh, this is so cute, I should totally do this. So we're doing like a doll kind of makeup look. Also, my last video I uploaded was actually garbage because I wasn't allowed to edit on CapCut anymore because of like the ban on it. There's like a ban on it, I guess because it was linked to TikTok or something. So I had to edit off iMovie, and that was like actually garbage. So please forgive me if my last video was like not up to par or whatever, like up to standard, or like it definitely was not up to standard in my eyes, and I was so upset about it because I'm like, there's no way. It's like, this video is so trash, and I was so excited to upload it too because it's always super exciting to like upload something that I don't have a lot of on my channel. I would say like I don't have a lot of that type of makeup style, so I was really excited to upload it. And I'm just excited to be getting ready with y'all. I'm literally not going anywhere. We're all primed up, so let's jump into the makeup. Of course, first thing I love to do is carve out my brows. We're going in with our About Face foundation. Just placing that here on the lids. So, yeah. Let's carve these babies out. These brows look so good. Just look at them. I don't care if they're uneven. Please don't point out if they're uneven, okay? Because that will really like send me over the edge, okay? I got my coffee, guys, and I'm like, Okay, we're gonna bronze a little bit. The beautiful girl in the picture doesn't seem to have much bronzer on her. Look at how gorgeous she is. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I literally look so dark compared to her. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty and pale. Oh, that's funny. She doesn't seem to have much bronzer on, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on the front of my forehead, and I think on the nose. Her nose is so cute. Oh my gosh, like I know a lot of people, or I don't know if people like Dove Cameron's nose, but me personally, Dove Cameron is so beautiful. Like, I love her nose, and I don't know if she got a nose job or not. I don't know if people said that or not, but I don't care if it's fake or if it's real. It's still pretty. Like, that type of nose that's like just like smells that I love. Like, that nose is so cutesy and like just so like like, I don't even care about like the side of my nose. Like, I don't even care about that. I just wish that right here, like this part of my nose wasn't so big, because like, why is it so big like that? And then I'm just grabbing my little brush. We're gonna blend this out just a tad. Like, she has such a cute little nose too. Oh, looks like a bunny for real. Guys, we're literally almost at 500 subscribers. That means halfway to 1,000. Like, halfway to 1,000, if you think about it, is so freaking crazy. I remember whenever I was literally crying tears of joy whenever I hit 100 subscribers, and like, it's just been like steadily growing from there, and it just makes me so happy. And every video I'm like, I want to thank y'all so much because of just all the people that are supporting me. It just makes me so happy, and I love when y'all reach out to me. I love when you comment on my videos. It just, I love it so much, and I'm so blessed to have all of y'all in my lives, all of y'all in my life supporting me. It just like, y'all don't even know how happy it makes me. Now, next step is going to be blush. I really want to go in with like a dainty pinky blush. We're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place blush. This is just in the shade Blush Lily. Right there. I'm really just gonna use this same brush. I don't really care. And then like keep it right here in this area. I saw a girl say, is it really blush blindness if I know that I put a lot of blush on, I just don't care? And I'm like, that's so freaking true. Like, it's not really blush blindness because I know how much blush I be putting on, and I know it's a lot. And we still don't care. Okay, next step is concealing. As you can see, I'm just putting a little bit of foundation under the eyes so that when I put on my concealer, it almost balances everything out, because the concealer I'm using is pretty light. See how the concealer is like way light? It's so cold for me. That was really cold for me. Anyways, y'all, I just set my entire face with this Morphe pink powder because I wanted that like brighter look. Guys, look at how cute like my base is. Like, so pinky and cutesy. We're gonna go in with the Tarte palette. This is the Bejeweled one. We're gonna go in with a really cool toned brown and really focus it in this area right here, and almost kind of like wing it out, but in a very soft manner. So that's what I'm attempting to do. So she has it more like right here. Okay, so now that I have like winged it out like this, do y'all see how I like swooped it kind of like this way? All I did was like make sure that I blended down, and then with my Too Faced palette, my Born This Way, I dipped it into here and then kind of just carved it out so it looks a little bit more highlighted right here. And I honestly don't mind that because that area is like now accentuated. So yeah, I think it looks good so far. So now the only thing that I'm doing is really bringing it down because in the picture she seemed to smoke it out under there and like make her eyes look bigger from right here instead of like right here. And I think it looks very cute and like dolly. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm just using the same eyeshadow that I used up here. The only thing is I feel like with my eyes, because they're not shaped like hers, it makes them look a little bit more closed, but we'll figure it out. I'm just messing around with the eyeliner right now, but I did like sort of like a downward eyeliner, and I don't know if I like it. I don't usually do my eyeliner like exactly like this. I sometimes do it like more upward, but I think that's cute. So we're gonna leave it at that and just do the same thing on this side. I feel like I put too much eyeshadow right here because now I look kind of like dead. So I'll fix it in a second. I'm just doing my nose contour right now. But I think the little eyes look so cute and like dolly. I always love looking like a cute little doll. We are all done with the nose contour, baby, and we highlighted. And listen, if you think it looks ugly and it looks like weird and too fake, I'm sorry. That's just the way I like to do my nose contour. Especially because we're looking like a doll today. Like, what? Like, you're really gonna judge me because I did my nose contour that was that bold and I'm supposed to be looking like a doll? Anyways, we're going in with our Too Faced highlighter. She's my baby. Like, I literally love this highlighter with my entire existence. Okay, and we're going in with it heavy. We went on the nose already, so now we're just going in on the inner corner of the eye. And the way that it's gonna literally open up my eye so much is so crazy. Like, this highlighter is like thebomb.com. Okay, like look at her glow. And we're even gonna put her up here on the brow. See, like that's so cute compared to that. I look so cute. Next is lashes. Look at these little clusters. They're so cute. What do we think? I think it came out super cute. The only thing is I don't like how this eye for the lashes like isn't the same. Like, why does it look different than this one? This one looks way less spiky and this one looks more spiky. So yeah, guys, that is gonna be the end of my little tutorial on how to look like a cutesy doll, like a beautiful doll. So if y'all enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button or turn on the notification bells because you won't want to miss my next video. Bye, dolls. I love you. Mwah.